Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingindividuality.com, and I am showing you today what is included on the product medley Everything is Rosy that is only available during May. So you can see here some of the, everything that is included. So you get the rose gold shimmer paint, which is fantastic. I just love it. And you can use it with sponge daubers. You can use it to a stamp. You can also use it as a spritzer. So you've seen here I made mine. I mean, it's just a great product to have and definitely a really neat color. We have never had this color available, so I understand why this couldn't be available for us on a regular basis, because it's just fantastic. Then we also got two spools, full spools of ribbon, which, oh goodness, these are just yummy. This one is Mellow Mambo, it's 1/4, and it's like ruffled, as you can see a little bit. And then you have this one, which is the Night of Navy, and it has the rosy gold edge, which, my goodness, this looks fantastic. I just love them both. Then we also got these mirrors that can go into the center of your flowers, and they have like a peeling here so they protect and they don't get a scratch. So once you put it on your car or your flower, you just peel off that little plastic protection on top of them, and they will look like the edges, as you can see here. We also got on this one the stamp set Everything is Rosy, as well as the framelits, and believe me, these are really great. I love the sentiments. This one is by far my favorite just because I do so many of birthday cards, and I think this will be really great. However, all of the other ones are really good. I mean, you have a thank you, congratulations. This one is also another of my favorites. And then who wouldn't want to give this to a dear friend? So again, very nice set to have. Then of course we've got all of this paper, which is great. Let me just show you the pieces that you got. Oh, here is, hold on before I move on. This is one of the die cuts out of the with the framelits, and believe me, you would think it was very complicated. It's not. They cut like butter. They have outdone themselves on their framelits. This was great. It just cut like butter. Believe me, you're gonna love it. So now, as far as the paper, we got two of each. So this one has really nice tags and little embellishments for your cards, and this one also has the gold, the rose gold edges. Then we've got, and same as this one, so you have two of those different designs. And then we've got this also. We got two of these, so you already have some die cuts that you can use, right, to make your cards. Very easy, not complicated at all. And then here is the paper that we've got on the selection. So we got the rose gold foil paper, and then we got this design series paper, and I'm just gonna show it to you. All of them have a foil side and then a regular color here. You can see it here. All of them are just really nice, and I mean, I wouldn't get tired if we have them on a regular basis, believe me. Look at this. So, and you get a lot of it. I mean, when I equal the whole thing that we've got is like a full pack of design series paper cut at 6x6, and the same is true for the foil paper. You had like a full pack of foil cut at 6x6. So anyway, so this is a product medley, just in case you were wondering what is included. Also, for those of you who had already got it from me, you're gonna get the video tutorials to make all these cards. And if you haven't gotten this one from me, make sure to click on the link to get it at my store, and once you do that, you'll get 6 video tutorials to make all of these projects. Now, if you already got it, or you're a demonstrator and you can get it yourself, you can purchase the tutorial for $20, and this is 6 video tutorials that include a step-by-step video where I show you how to make all of these cards. So anyway, thank you so much. I'll put on the link on the description the link to both, either to get the Everything is Rosy on my store or to purchase the video tutorials. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.